Hello, everybody. Well, it's the 10th, and I have drawn a name. And let me tell you that this one, I'm not going to give the name, but it's going to Australia. This is Deb in Australia. Just give her a little short name, Deb. And thank you so much for entering this giveaway, Deb. And everything is packaged. It's going in this envelope. So be looking for this craft colored envelope in your mail. And I hope you enjoy it. And I'm very happy to send it to you. And thank you so much for being a part of this community and an active member at that. And it really encourages me when you take part in the different things that I do here. So I'm going to do another one in 1 week. That's going to be on November the 17th. I'm going to do another drawing for another giveaway. The instructions on how to enter are in the post. That's on the post community tab of the channel. And it tells you what to send me, the information I need by email. And so if you want to enter, do that. The email address, everything you need to know is in the post on the community tab or the post tab, whatever it comes up on your, on mine it says post at the top there. So look at that. And the next one on November 17th, what I'm going to be giving away is this piece. Isn't that beautiful? How pretty is that? And this little booklet, okay? So this will be the next giveaway. If you want to enter, be sure to check the information on the post tab and send me the appropriate information by email, and we'll get you entered for the next one. Now, if you win during a giveaway period, which this period includes November, December, you can only win once. But if you've already entered for the today's drawing, you don't have to enter again for this period of November, December. Just enter once for the 2-month giveaway period. And your name stays in the jar that I pull out of. So only if it's a new entry, new giveaway period, do you have to re-enter, okay? And I'll be reminding you that as these go along. So, okay, this is coming up in just a few days on November the 17th. So let's get those entries in. All right. Meanwhile, stay safe and scrap happy.